Hello, students. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I am your subject teacher of social study, and in this video, we are going to discuss about chapter number 13, that is local government, and that is part 2. And in our previous video, we have discussed about the part 1 of this chapter. So, student, now look at the topic, that is Gram Panchayat. The Gram Panchayat is the local governing body of a village. The member of a village vote to choose those who would form the Gram Panchayat. At least one third of the seat in all panchayat are reserved for women. So, student, I'm going to discuss about Gram Panchayat. A Gram Panchayat or village panchayat is the only grassroots level of Panchayati Raj formalized local self-governance system in India at the village or small town levels and has a sarpanch as its elected head. One of the members of the panchayat is elected the sarpanch or the pradhan. The sarpanch is the head of the panchayat. So, student, in Gram Panchayat, the member of the panchayat is elected as the sarpanch or as the pradhan, and the sarpanch or the pradhan is the head of the panchayat or head of the village. The Gram Panchayat make rule for the villages and solve the problem of the people. It meet regularly to discuss this problem. So, student, Gram Panchayat or the Sarpanch or the Pradhan make rules for the villages and solve problems of the peoples. And it meet regularly discuss this problem. Some of the duty of the Gram Panchayat. So, student, there are some duty that should be done by Gram Panchayat. First one is providing sanitation and proper drainage is also a duty of Gram Panchayat. It is the duty of the panchayat to build public toilet and to help public people build toilets in their houses. It should also build and maintain drain. So, student, providing sanitation and proper drainage is also a duty of Gram Panchayat, and it means it is the duty of the panchayat to build a public toilet and to their help to build their houses. Next, keep the village clean. It should ensure that garbage is collected regularly and disposed of properly. So, student, keeping the village clean is also a duty of Gram Panchayat. It is the duty of a Gram Panchayat that garbage is collected regularly and disposed of properly. Next, providing safe drinking water is also a duty of a Gram Panchayat. One of the main duty of the panchayat is to provide safe drinking water. Next, running health center. The panchayat has to set up health center to look after people who are unwell. It also has to ensure that health center are run properly. So, student, running health center is also a duty of a Gram Panchayat. Next, ensuring education. To provide education to children, to provide education to children and access to free education is also a duty of a Gram Panchayat. Next, maintaining village road. So, student, maintaining village road is also a duty of a Gram Panchayat. The building and maintenance of village road are the provision of street light are important duty of Panchayat. So, student, to providing roads and maintaining street light is also a duty of Gram Panchayat. Settling dispute. The panchayat is also responsible for settling minor dispute between villagers. So, student, when there is a minor dispute arise between the villagers, between the people of the villagers, then it should be set set down by the Gram Panchayat because it is the duty of a Gram Panchayat. Next, collecting taxes from the people is also a duty of a Gram Panchayat. It means the Panchayat has to collect tax, and tax is the money that the people have to pay for amenities. People have to pay the government, and this government is used the The money is used by the government to provide the people with civic amenities. Civic amenities means the facility provided by the government for the service like water, electricity, supply, roads, hospital, and post office. Maintaining record of birth and death. The student maintaining records of birth and death is also a duty of a Gram Panchayat. The Panchayat maintain record of birth and death in the villages. Now look at the next, that is municipal corporation. While the Panchayat help in governing villages, the municipalities do the same thing in town. The municipalities in big city like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata and Chennai are called municipal corporation. So student, the work of Gram Panchayat, you can see the village are governed by the Gram Panchayat. In this way, the towns, cities are governed by municipalities, and the big city like Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Kolkata are governed by municipal corporation. So the member of municipality and municipal corporation are elected by the people living in town or city. So student, the member of municipality and municipal corporation are elected by the members of that area. The elected member are called municipal councillor. The municipal body elect their own head. The head of the municipality is called chairperson, and the head of municipal corporation is called mayor. At least 1/3 of the seat are reserved for women. So student, a municipal corporation is a local government in India that administer urban area with a population of more than 1 million. The growing population and urbanization in various cities of India were in need of local governing body that can work for providing necessary community service like health, care, educational institution, housing, transport, etc. Now it is the duty of municipality and the corporation. So student, now I am going to discuss about the duty of municipality and the corporation too. First one is ensure sanitization and cleanness of the city. So it is also a most important duty of corporation and municipality. The town and city should be kept clean, garbage should be properly disposed of, public toilet are to be set up at convenient places. So student, to provide cleanness and sanitization to a city, it is also a duty of a municipality and corporation. Next, providing safe drinking water. The municipal body has to arrange for the supply of safe drinking water. So student, provide safe drinking water is also a duty of municipality and municipal corporation, because the municipal body has arranged for the supply of safe drinking water to the people of that area. So next, provide health care. The municipal body need to open and oversee the running of health center and hospital. So student, it is the responsibility and duty of a municipality and the municipal corporation that look after the health center and hospital of that area from they are elected. Next, provide free and compulsory education for small children. So student, municipality and municipal corporation should provide free and compulsory education till the age of 15. Free and compulsory education to the children till the age of 15. It is also a duty of a municipality and municipal corporation. Adult literacy. Municipal body also conduct classes to teach adult how to read and write. So student, it is also a duty of a municipal corporation, municipality, that they should conduct classes to teach adult how to read and write. So now look at the next. Build and maintain road and park. So student, build and maintain road and park is also a duty of municipal corporation and municipality. It is the duty of the municipal agency to maintain roads and street lights. They are also supposed to construct and maintain park for the recreation of the park public. So student, build and maintain roads and park is also a duty of municipality and municipal corporation. So they are supposed to construct and maintain park for the recreation of the public for the children playing. Next, ensure proper drainage and sewage disposal. Municipal body have to build and maintain drain for the disposal of sewage and rainwater. So student, ensure proper drainage and sewage disposal. Sewage disposal is also a duty of municipality and municipal corporation. Municipal body have to build and maintain drains for the disposal of sewage and rainwater. Next, registered birth and death is also a duty of municipality and municipal corporation. Municipal body are supposed to record all birth and death and issue certificate for the same. So student, to register birth and death is also a duty of a municipality and municipal corporation, because the municipal bodies and municipal corporation body also record all birth and death and issue certificate for the same. Collect tax from the people is also a duty of municipal corporation and municipality. Municipal body collect tax from the people of the city or town. Tax are imposed on things like water, house, vehicles and goods. So student, collecting tax from the people is also a duty of municipality, because they collect tax from the people and the tax are imposed on things like water, houses, vehicles and goods. So student, I hope you all are understood about the Gram Panchayat and duty of Gram Panchayat, and municipal corporation and the duty of municipal corporation, and you have to read and learn about the Gram Panchayat and the municipal corporation. This is your today's homework. So that's all, and thank you.